What is going on, guys? This is Thunder Zeus here, and today we're going to be doing a race for ATV Engine 5 versus Lamborghini Engine 5, and in the next video we'll be doing ATV Engine 5 versus Tesla Level 5, and then possibly Doom Buggy Level 5. So yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this video, and yeah, we'll be back when we're ready. Hey guys, so now we're going to start the ATV race just when I start to glitch off of the flipping building. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you where the race is going to start. 2 cars, 1 race. Oh my god. Oh no! 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 Oh, I just came back to the... Oh my god, we'll be back when we can actually do it again. 2 cars, 1 race. So let's go. 2 cars, 1 race. Let's go. How does this work? This is just like some crazy interesting. Okay, we'll be back when we can actually race. I'll stop doing the 1 car race now. Let's start the race. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go! No! How does this happen? I'm not even gonna do the 3, 2, 1. As soon as I start recording, it's just gonna be the start.